What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best women's trimmer in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. The OLOV Bikini Trimmer with a Smile. The world of intimate grooming with a review of the OLOV Bikini Trimmer Women. If you've struggled with razor burn and irritation, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. The OLOV Bikini Trimmer is more than just your average shaver. It's a wet, dry body groomer equipped with replaceable ceramic blade heads, ensuring a smooth and gentle shave every time. And with its USB recharge dock, say goodbye to constantly buying batteries. Now, I was a bit skeptical at first, especially when it comes to sensitive areas like the bikini line. But after trying out the Francesca trimmer, I was blown away. Unlike traditional razors, this trimmer significantly reduced my chances of razor burn and ingrown hairs. The ergonomic design makes it easy to maneuver, and the waterproof feature allows for hassle-free use in the shower. Plus, the inclusion of a nose trimmer head adds versatility to its functionality. It's gentle on the skin and leaves me feeling confident and smooth. One of the standout features is the adjustable shaving guard, which offers 3 lengths to suit your preferences. Whether you prefer a super close shave or a bit of length, this trimmer has you covered. In conclusion, the OLOV Bikini Trimmer Women is a game changer in the world of intimate grooming. With its advanced technology and user-friendly design, it's a must-have for anyone looking for a smoother, irritation-free shaving experience. Number 4. The Panasonic Close Curves Electric Razor with a Smile. The world of electric razors with a review of the Panasonic Close Curves Electric Razor for Women. If you're tired of dealing with skin irritation and disposable razor waste, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. The Panasonic Close Curves Electric Razor offers a safe and gentle shaving experience with its reusable and rechargeable design. Say goodbye to razor burn and hello to smooth, irritation-free skin. Let's talk about performance. With 3 ultra-sharp floating blades and dual ultra-thin outer foils, this razor provides a fast, close shave with minimal effort. The hypoallergenic stainless steel blades help prevent irritation and razor bumps, making it perfect for sensitive skin. But that's not all. The pop-up trimmer ensures detailed and gentle grooming, especially in sensitive areas like the bikini line. Plus, the waterproof design allows for use in or out of the shower, giving you the flexibility to shave wherever is most convenient for you. It's also really convenient to have the option to use it wet or dry. And let's not forget about the accessories. The included travel cap and pouch make it easy to take this razor on the go, while the cordless charging stand provides up to 35 minutes of use on a single charge. No messy charging cords here. In conclusion, the Panasonic Close Curves Electric Razor for Women is a game changer in the world of shaving. With its advanced technology, gentle performance, and convenient design, it's a must-have for anyone looking for a smoother, hassle-free shaving experience. Number 3. The Philips Norelco Series 9000 Ultimate Precision Beard and Hair Trimmer with Beard Sense Technology. Today, we're diving into the world of precision trimming with the Philips Norelco Series 9000. This ultimate beard and hair trimmer promises an even trim with its advanced features. First off, let's talk about the heart of this trimmer, the full steel blades and Beard Sense Technology motor. Designed to swiftly glide through your hair, these blades ensure a smooth trim in every pass. Say goodbye to irritating tugs and uneven cuts. Now, one feature that really stands out is the quick adjust zoom wheel. With just a spin, you can lock in 30 length settings ranging from 1/64 to 25/64. Whether you prefer a stubble or a longer beard, this trimmer has got you covered. And let's not forget about the power source. The advanced lithium-ion battery packs a punch, delivering maximum power for high-performance cutting. Plus, it's 100% waterproof, making it perfect for grooming on the go or in the shower. And here's the cherry on top. The Philips Norelco Series 9000 was crowned the winner of the 2022 Men's Health Grooming Award for Best All-in-One Beard Trimmer. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable and precise beard trimmer, the Philips Norelco Series 9000 is definitely worth considering. With its advanced features and accolades, it's a grooming game changer. Number 2. The IPL Hair Removal Device with a Sleek Design. Beauty enthusiasts, today, we're diving into the world of at-home laser hair removal with the IPL Hair Removal Device. With promises of permanent hair reduction and salon-level results, let's see if this device lives up to the hype. First things first, let's talk about the science behind this device. Using advanced IPL technology, it targets the melanin in your hair follicles, effectively slowing down hair regrowth and giving you long-lasting results. Say goodbye to endless shaving and waxing sessions. Now, let's talk economics. Investing in an at-home hair removal device like this one can save you a ton of money in the long run. Just think about it. No more expensive salon appointments or clinic visits. With this device, you can achieve the same results from the comfort of your own home. Another standout feature of this device is its customizable energy intensities. With 5 different levels to choose from, you can tailor the treatment to your own comfort level and skin sensitivity. It's all about finding what works best for you. And let's not forget about the premium customer support. If you have any questions or concerns, our dedicated customer service team is here to help. Plus, with your purchase, you'll receive everything you need to get started, including protective eyewear and a detailed instruction manual. In conclusion, if you're tired of the endless cycle of hair removal and want long-lasting results from the comfort of your own home, the IPL hair removal device is definitely worth considering. Number 1. The Aopvui at-home IPL hair removal device. We're stepping into the world of at-home laser hair removal with the Aopvui IPL hair removal device. Promising permanent results and salon-quality treatment in the comfort of your own home. Let's see if this device truly delivers. First off, let's talk about the main selling point of this device: permanent hair removal. Using advanced IPL technology, it targets the hair follicles, effectively breaking the cycle of hair regrowth. Say goodbye to the constant hassle of shaving and waxing. Now, what sets this device apart is its modern IPL technology. With a convenient ergonomic design and one-touch auto flash mode, it provides the smoothest and fastest operating experience. Plus, with full-body hair removal possible in as little as 15 minutes, it's efficient and convenient. And let's not forget about the flexibility it offers. With 9 adjustable energy levels, you can customize the treatment to your own comfort level and see visible results in just a few sessions. Whether you prefer auto or manual mode, this device has got you covered. Before diving in, it's important to heed the manufacturer's warnings. Ensure a safe and effective treatment by following the power supply guidelines and safety precautions. With proper usage, you can enjoy the benefits of this device for years to come. In conclusion, if you're looking for a safe, effective, and convenient way to achieve permanent hair reduction at home, the Aopvui IPL hair removal device is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to smoother, hair-free skin. Ultimately, the best women's trimmer for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. These are just a few of the many great women's trimmers on the market. When choosing a trimmer, it's important to consider your individual needs and preferences. Consider what features are important to you and how often you plan to use it before making a decision. Hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggestions for future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Era Review Zone family. We've got lots more videos coming your way into. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.